Let us make a cube from the net that you have been given. So you cut this net out. We have the net here. These are some extra portions that will help us to paste the net together. Let us begin. Start from one end and go on folding it into a box. Now this edge will come here, so we put glue here. And paste it. See. Let it paste. Then we take this side and this will go here. This art of folding 2D diagrams into 3D shapes is called paper sculpting. And we are getting the shape of a box now. Now see, this side will be pasted here. Just let it paste properly. Go on folding and pasting till you get a perfect cube. And you have a cube. Similarly, we can make other 3D shapes. This is the net of a triangular pyramid. A pyramid is a shape with a polygonal base and the triangles which meet at a point. This is a triangular pyramid. So let us fold all the sides first. And now we will start pasting. You have to be careful with the dimensions. This has to be equal to this so that we can paste like this. Similarly, the next side. And this will be pasted inside. See, we get a perfect pyramid. This is the net of a triangular prism. A triangular prism has two triangles as bases which are joined by the rectangles. Let us make a triangular prism. And we have our triangular prism. Next, we have the net of a cylinder. This cylinder is made of this rectangle which will be rolled, and then we will shut the cylinder from top and bottom using these circles. To make this closed cylinder, you have to observe that the circumference of this circle is equal to the length of this rectangle. Ask your maths teacher to help you with the calculations. So let us roll the rectangle to make the cylinder first. And then you close your cylinder with these circles. Like this. Similarly, practice all the shapes that have been given to you in your book. Creating these 3D shapes will give you a practice of paper sculpting because the same principles can be used to create different objects. For example, we made this flower pot. It has been made simply by pasting an open cylinder on top of a cuboid. Use your creativity and make objects with the technique of paper sculpting.